Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. So today we are going to cover another linked list problem, which is palindrome linked list. So we are given an input of singly linked list and we have to return true if it is a palindrome. Palindrome is a string which will be same if we read it forward as well as backward. So here in our given example, 1221 will be the same even if we read it reverse. So the output is going to be true. So how are we going to approach this? Here the solution is we are going to find the middle of the linked list. So once we find the middle, we are going to reverse the rest of the list and compare the first half and second half of the list. So if they are equal, then it is a palindrome. If not, it is not a palindrome. So for finding the middle of the linked list, we are going to use two pointers, fast and slow. Our slow pointer moves one node at a time and our fast pointer moves two nodes at a time till it reaches the end of the link. So once our fast pointer reaches the end of the linked list, which means our slow pointer is at the center or middle of the linked list. So once we find the middle, we are going to place our fast pointer again at the starting of the linked list and reverse the linked list starting from the slow pointer till the end of the linked list. Once the second half of the linked list is reversed, we are going to compare the first half and second half, and based on the values, we are going to return the result. So now let's see how we're going to reverse the second half of the link. To reverse the linked list, we are going to get the help of three pointers, previous, current, and temp, to help us reverse the linked list. So now previous is going to point at the null and current is going to point at the head of the linked list, and the temp node is going to point at the current dot next, so that we'll have a temporary hold of the next node we are going to point at. Now the concept is to assign current dot next to the previous node till current reaches the end of the linked list and the whole linked list is reversed. As we are pointing current dot next to previous, our node still 2 is reversed now. So the rest is only one node with value 1. Now our linked list is completely reversed and our slow pointer will point at the node 1. After reversing, a slow pointer points at the middle of the linked list and fast pointer points at the starting of the linked list, and both fast and slow pointer moves one node at a time to compare the values at each node. So if any of the values doesn't match, it is going to return false. If not, the iteration is completed and all the values are matching, then it is going to return true. Hope you understood this easy concept. So let's see the code now. First, we are going to check the basic conditions, that if the linked list is empty or contains only one node, then return true. So I'm going to declare two pointers, fast and slow, starting at the head of the linked list. And I'm going to iterate till my fast pointer reaches the end of the linked list and move my slow pointer by one node at a time and fast pointer by two nodes at a time. Once the pointers completed the iteration, I'm going to assign my fast pointer to head of the list and reverse the slow pointer, that is from slow pointer to end of the list. So once it is reversed, we are going to check the values of both slow pointer as well as fast pointer. If any of the values doesn't match, then we are going to return false. If it completes the iteration by comparing all the values till the end of the linked list, then it is a palindrome, then we are going to return true. So now let's spend some time in writing the reverse function. As I explained, we are going to have three pointers, current, previous, and temp. So until the current pointer meets the end of the linked list, we are going to point or swap the next pointer of every current node to the previous node and move all three nodes every time once we shifted the next pointer to the previous node. So once the iteration is completed, the result list will be reversed. So we are going to return the list. So let's run. So yes, let's submit. Yes, the solution is accepted. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.